Hello friends, I am BM. In this video, I will show you how to fix this error. Something went wrong while displaying this web page. Error code is result code hug. Okay. Now I am show you few simple steps to resolve this problem. Open browser and type here internet speed for first step is check first internet. Okay. Okay. Now click on run speed test. I'll check internet speed is good. Downloading, uploading both are good. After this, click on three dot, click on extensions, click on manage extension. Check here any extension are there. My Google document of an extension here. Click on remove. Okay. Now click on remove. Then click on three dot. Now click on history. Click on history. Okay. Now you see there is a history. Now click on delete browser data. Okay. Now select here all time. Now click on delete data. After this, other step is check browser is update or not. Scroll down. Click on about Chrome. I see Chrome is up to date. Okay. Other step is click on reset setting. Click on restore setting to their original default. Okay. Now click on reset settings. Check this simple step to solve this problem. Okay. Thank you for watching me. See you on next video.